How to block international calls in Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose. Here I'll guide you how to block international or spam calls in Android. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your phone application on your device. Now tap three dots at top right. From this drop-down menu, select Settings and scroll down. Under General, choose Blocked Numbers and make sure to toggle the button on for block calls from unidentified callers. And then you won't receive calls or text from blocked numbers. You can even add a number on this list below. Now the international calls or spam calls will be blocked on your Android device. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.